Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn about how to connect a Node Docker container with Postgres. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to start the container with the Postgres. So let's run this command. So I have run this command and it says, let paste this. So it says that the response no such container. So we have to make sure that Postgres container should be running. So here you can see that sudo docker ps. So there is no container, right? So let's create this one. So first of all, we have to create that one. So here this is the command to run a Postgres container with the help of this command. So let's enter this. Unable to find the Postgres. Now pulling the data. Here you can see this is done, right? After this, let's run this. So with the help of this, we will run this one. You can access the Postgres database using the PostgreSQL client or the command line tools. For example, you can use PSQL for this. So here you can see that. So let's add it, and you can see I'm logged in with the PostgreSQL, right? So that, and if I just go and do the exit over here, let's slash quit, I guess. Okay, and if I go with the sudo docker ps, and you can see the container is ready. That means Postgres container is ready to go, right? Let's move to the node.js code. Cd var www html node. I think I have make that in the node one. So which one it is? There is another. I think I don't know about this. So let's create that the node project. So let me go and check this one. HTML node.js might be here. I have made this. I it will come to know about this one here, VS Code. Let me open this because it will open. That is which location it is. It's in the node Docker node. So let's go with the node cd Docker node, right? Okay, so I am on this project right now. So let's connect this with the Postgres. So first step is connection docker container with the Postgres. Next, how to connect docker container with the Postgres, right? So let's install the pg into the node.js project. So install this one. After the installation, let's try to connect this one. So I think server.js file is already there, app.js file. So this connection is for the MySQL, which we already done, right? So let's comment this connection and let's go with another one. So let me comment this and let's move to the Postgres connection. Okay, so here we go with this one. So first we will add the const client pg. Okay, then we set up the connection, and then if it is connected to the PostgreSQL, then come to over here. Okay, connection. So here I need to put the username password. So whatever I have added over here, let me check. So here we go with my username. Username is PSQL. Here I have defined each and everything. So Postgres password is password, and DB name is this one. Okay, and username is Postgres, right? So let's add this all the stuff over here. User is Postgres. Host, we have to check this one. Database is testdb, I guess. So it's testdb. So let's add it over here. Testdb. And what about the password? Password is password, so let's add the password over here. And the port which I am using here, this is the port that is 5430. 5430 I'm using. Okay, so let's go and check this one. So this is done. So Docker file, I think Docker file is completed here. Let me check again. So this is very important. So here we go with my file, node.js, everything. I think it's already okay. Okay, you can see that this is a Docker file, right? Node for 20 I'm using. Okay, done. Let's go and just run this command, run the Docker. Okay, so here I'm going to do with the Docker build first. So I'm going to do in the next one. So I'm going to building the Docker one. Okay, so build and run the Docker image. So I'm doing that one. After that we have to run the container, and I need to run the container on my 4000 port. Okay, so let's run this. This is running. Now this is done. Okay, now this is done. Let's go to the next command. Let's add it. So we have to run my Docker container. Okay, so here you can see this port is running, but there is a error connection refused. So let's go and check this one. I think again the default gateway, I need to add it over here. So what is the default gateway of this one? So I think the default gateway would be like this. So let's copy this and add it the IP of that one. I have already explained in my previous video regarding the how to get this default IP, right? The gateway of that one. Okay, so let me stop this one. So let me go with sudo docker ps. So currently node app is aad, so let's stop this. Sudo docker stop the container that is aa. So let's stop this one. After this, you can see now it will stop over here. Sudo docker stop aa. This is my node, says cannot stop as container aa. It's TCP my node container. Let me add this id then. Sudo docker stop. Cannot stop the container, permission denied. Let me go and check. Sudo docker ps. Okay, so this is the container id. Sudo docker stop, because permissions I have added. for daemon, let me check this why it's not picking up. So here we go with this one. I think Docker image. Let me check this. So you have to just restart or systemctl daemon reload. You have to reload this one. After this, just run the sudo docker stop this one, whatever we have the container ID. Okay. After this, I think this is stopped right now. Okay. So let's build it again because we have already changed the IP over here, right? Let's go and run this. And here you can see that the conflict, the container environment already in use by the container this. So you have to remove that container or able to reuse that. Error response from the daemon conflict, the container. Which container? My node container. So let's add the one another container with this one. Okay, so now you can see that the connected to the PostgreSQL. Okay, so here you can see we have to just change the IP over now, and now you can successfully see that we are connected. So how to get this IP? Let me check this one. So sudo docker ps. Okay, so here we have this contain Postgres container ID, right? Let me add this. What we get, and here you can see this is the gateway. Okay, so the gateway we need to add it. So Postgres default gateway, it will come over like this. So you need to copy this and add it over here, and it will automatically run. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.